Welcome back to my channel. It's Patty Cakes. Let's make some spaghetti squash. Here's what you're going to need. A pound of ground turkey or ground beef, 1 large green pepper, 1 large onion, a spaghetti squash, some mozzarella sauce, some Alfredo sauce, some Kinder's, the blend, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Let's get started. On medium heat, I put in a little olive oil. We're going to get ready to saute our onion and our green peppers. After I've sauteed my onions and my green peppers, I'm going to add in my turkey. Stir that around. While browning my ground turkey, I'm going to add in some Kinder's. About that much. Don't take much. Get that all mixed in. I'm going to add in half of my Alfredo sauce. And half of my mozzarella sauce. Now that we have this all mixed, we're going to cut it off. We're going to put the lid on, and we're going to set it to the side, and we're going to work on our squash. And they are kind of hard. Once you've cut it in half, you can take a spoon and kind of dig out the inside of the seeds. Like that. Once you have all the seeds out, you're going to take the rest of your olive oil and you're going to put it in the inside. Just brush around the top and in the inside. And you're going to take your Kinder's and you're going to sprinkle in season. About that much. And you're going to take it and you're going to turn it face down on your pan. And you're going to put it in the oven on 400 for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes out of the oven, so let's spaghetti our squash. Take a fork and you're going to pull from the sides of your squash, just like this. And we're going to do the other one. You're going to pull from the sides, just like this. After I've made strands with my squash, now I'm going to top it with the turkey. Let's take you some, and we're going to top it. Once you get it topped, we're going to take that mozzarella. We're going to put it on top. And you're going to put it back in the oven and just bake until the cheese melts. Let's dig in. Mmm.